Last week, we talked about the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust trading at a discount to the value of its assets. This product has had a long-standing hope to become an ETF as Bitcoin's popularity surged. But with the recent crypto collapse, it appears Grayscale's dreams are fading with it. CEO Michael Sonnenschein joined Squawk Box this morning to talk about possible next steps.
I published a year-end letter today to my investors, and I did share that in the event we exhaust all of our legal and judicial processes around converting to an ETF, challenging this SEC denial, we would then consider being able to do a tender offer for a portion of the shares. Doesn't mean we necessarily will, but I want investors to know that we're prepared the same way we were with our lawsuit when the SEC denied us.
So what could this mean for Grayscale and long-suffering GBTC shareholders? Karen, you've been taking a look at this. I mean, this would be, he made it clear that this could happen in the case that they exhausted all these different avenues. It's a possibility.
Right. So you got to, if this, and discount that to, wow, that's a lot of things that have to happen just for a 20% tender, which I think the idea is put the news out there, hope for some sort of floor on the stock or maybe a change in sentiment. I don't think it's nearly enough at all. I appreciate they want, I mean, getting it converted to an ETF is by far the much bigger deal. I do think, though, that there are still, so DCG, which owns almost 10%, right? And then they're tied in with Genesis. I feel like
they owe money to Genesis.
They owe money to Genesis. I feel like there is still more kind of collapse to come. And I don't know that there's any mathematical floor one needs to have in the GBTC discount. I mean, I think there has been front running of the expectation of more bad things to come, and that's why it's here. But I can't help think there are still more bad things to come. And we saw Silvergate Bank, which we've been watching. That's trading down half of book value right now, which seemed to me to some would be a hard book, but I don't own it, and I covered it way too high.
Yeah, it does feel like this is an effort to sort of prop up this whole DCG, digital currency group empire, by doing this to offer some sort of possible floor to GBTC in order for DCG to pay back Genesis, in order for this whole thing to work. Chris, what's your take on, I don't know, GBTC or Silvergate for that matter?
I mean, let's just look at the fact pattern here from the summer when we first started to see signs of stress, or actually even before that, a year ago when Bitcoin started to break, right? But when you started to lose some of the companies one by one, I think we know how this is going to end. I think we've seen this before. But I would just point out two things. While Bitcoin has not made a new low here, Coinbase has. And the bonds, I think, Karen, you mentioned today, we're trading 50 cents, right?
Yeah, 50 cents.
Somewhere in the ballpark. So you kind of put the facts together. The bonds are trading 50, the stock's at a new low. I don't think this ends particularly well for Coinbase, for GBTC, and I think that's the message of the market here.
But it does have cash. I mean, Coinbase has cash and it has some time, right?
Right. The debt doesn't mature in the near term, right? But caught up in this whole GBTC is a lot of shareholders that sort of have nothing to do with this whole being over-levered or not. It was just a way to own Bitcoin, and that's really unfortunate. I don't know if if that weighs on the SEC's thinking about making it an ETF. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, well, ARK Invest, one of the biggest holders of GBTC. So this whole thing is very intertwined, Julie, in terms of all the things that can collapse around this.
It's sort of like the Real Housewives of crypto, if you think about it. It's just, it's like she's connected to her and this. And it's just really hard to follow along if you're just a regular investor like me. I continue to believe that the problem with Bitcoin continues to be that, there's the use case for it, to me, is just not that clear. And without that, it's really hard to see corporations getting enthusiastic about holding it on balance sheets or anything like that. And without that kind of proper ability to transact, I just don't see the point for these, exchanges to really exist. So I continue to believe that this isn't a very investable class, and I think there's lots of interesting things you can do on an options side, but for us as kind of long-term stodgy investors, no thank you.
How can we quantify, though, the FTX issue the scandal that we saw with FTX with people investing into these things now? So I think to your point, where with Coinbase or GBTC, if you don't understand it, you're not going to invest in it, right? So before, people didn't understand it and they invested in it. figured it was going up because everything was going up. And now I think the marginal buyer is not there.
Oh, no.
Well, also just think of how the language of this has changed over the years, right? Bitcoin used to be called a cryptocurrency, right? That was the goal, right? Now it's just called crypto. I'm not quite sure what the use case of this is here, and I think the behavioral inference in the name change is notable.